So when you're creating an email, it's always a good idea to add what's known as preview text to your email. Now, what that is, it's like the co-pilot for your subject line. So if you're going to create an email, let's say the subject line was here is a video you might like. Let's say that was the subject line, and inside there I might have a link to a video. Watch the video here, okay, and I would add a link there to my video. Let's say it was on my website, and they can watch it there. When you're just about to send that email to your subscribers, you want to add in what's known as preview text. Now, I'm going to click continue here. I'm going to click send email, and then down at the bottom here you'll see this advanced options section. If I click that button, you'll see in here is where the preview text lies. So in here I might say, remembering that the subject title is here's a video you might like, I tripled my open rates by doing this. Okay, so I'm now helping to increase the open rates of this email by adding this preview text in. So what does that look like? Let me just show you. So I'm now going to send this to myself. So I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to say send. Okay, so now I've sent that email. I'm now going to go to my email inbox and show you what that looks like. Okay, so the email has arrived, and this is what it looks like inside my email client. So you can see here that the subject line that I put in the video was this: here is a video you might like. Okay, so that was the subject line, but the preview text is a line of text which is here. I tripled my open rates by doing this. This is what's known as a preview text or pre-header text in an email that shows up in the email client, in other words where I'm showing you here, but doesn't actually show up inside the email. Okay, so if I open up this email, double click the email, opens it up, and that text doesn't actually appear anywhere inside the email. The only place it appears is inside the email client. So it's just a way of helping to get your emails opened by more people, by enhancing the message that you've got between your subject title, your subject line of your email, and this preview text. So the two of them work hand in hand.